Today we are going to be doing a drawing in 2-point perspective. So to start off, we're going to draw a horizontal line across our paper, and this is called the horizon line, where the sky meets the ground. Then we'll add 2 dots, and these are called vanishing points. Then we need to add a vertical line in the center, and this will be the front corner of our building. Drawing that line as tall as I want my building to go, I'm then going to match from the vanishing point to the top of the corner of my building. Always using my ruler to line it up, I'm going to match from the corner to the vanishing point, and from the bottom as well to that same vanishing point. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side to this other vanishing point. Again, always using my ruler. And from the vanishing point to that other top corner, and now it should look like a kite. The vertical line that I draw next will be the end point for my building, making sure my ruler is straight. I've drawn the right side of my building. Now I need to decide how long the left side goes. Again, lining my ruler up straight vertically, I'm going to draw the left side of my building. Next, it's time to erase. I'm going to detach the building from the vanishing point by erasing the top line and bottom line where the building is still connected to the vanishing point. Notice I'm still leaving that horizon line there. That needs to stay to separate the sky from the ground. Next, I'll erase on the other side, again detaching my building from that vanishing point on top and bottom. The last thing I need to erase is the line that cuts through the center of my building. So keeping that horizon line outside of it, I'm going to erase the line on the inside. Now that I've drawn my building in 2-point perspective, I'm ready to add some surroundings, like a sidewalk. Finding the point directly below the front corner, I'm going to line my ruler up with both vanishing points. I'm also going to go back in and redraw the line that connects the building to the vanishing point and create the other side of the sidewalk. Now I'd like to add some lines in the sidewalk. So using the vanishing point on the opposite side of the drawing, I'm simply turning it each time to add lines in the sidewalk. Now for the other side of the sidewalk, I'm going to use the opposite vanishing point. If I'm working on the left side of the sidewalk, I go from the right vanishing point. Notice that each time I do a line in the sidewalk, I'm holding the ruler to the vanishing point and simply swinging my ruler upwards more. Now I'd like to make a door. What I need to do is line my ruler up vertically closest to the corner to start the door. I'll draw my line up as far as I want the door to go and stop. Then, for the top of the door, I need to take my ruler and line it up with the vanishing point closest to it. I'll draw the top of the door over as far as I want. Then, simply connect with a vertical line that goes back down to the sidewalk. I'll make this one into double doors. Now on the left side, I think I'll do a window and a banner or a sign. Again, starting with the vertical line closest to the corner, I'll draw the line as high as I want the window to be, and then another line for the sign. Now I need to connect each of these corners to the vanishing point. So starting with the first one, I'm going to draw the line as long as I want it to go. After I connect both to the vanishing point, I can draw the vertical line to cut the end of the sign off. Then I'll do the same for the window. For my sign, I need to fit the letters inside of it. Notice that it gets narrower as it goes to the left because it's in 1-point perspective. The letters in the sign should follow that same format. So I'm using this rectangle to write the letters of my shop sign. Notice this lesson is called Boss Buildings. What I'd like you to do with this building now is make it your own design if you were to own a building. So if you were the boss of this shop, how would you decorate it? What would you sell? What would your shop look like? Now's the time to take this building and turn it into your own shop. You're the boss, so you design this building. My design is the slime factory. In my shop, you can mix and create any sort of slime you want. Therefore, I'm going to add my details, then outline and color it in to look like a slime factory. The next step is called trace and erase. You need to trace all of your lines with marker and then erase. Alright, I've added in some extra details and now it's time to color. I want you to make sure that when you do your drawing, you fill the whole page, coloring the sky, the ground, the building, and any other details and background that you have. Be creative and have fun. Once you've finished outlining and coloring your 2-point perspective building and landscape, you have created your 2-point perspective boss building. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.